Hi guys, what's up? It's Lauren and welcome back to my channel. So today I'm very excited about this video. Today I'm filming a FabFitFun unboxing video. And I did one of these videos actually for their last box, their summer editors box, and I got a lot of really great feedback from you guys wanting to see more of these and stuff, so I decided to do one for the fall box. So I wanted to thank FabFitFun for partnering with me on this video. I'm really excited about all the items. I've been trying them out this past week and I love these products. I'm really excited to share with you guys what I got in my box, and if you guys got anything different in your box, definitely let me know. So if you guys don't know what FabFitFun is, it is a seasonal subscription box and they include full-sized beauty, fashion, lifestyle, and fitness products. So this is the fall box that I got. It's super cute. So FabFitFun always has a theme for each of their boxes every single season. So this one's about gathering joy, happiness, celebrating new traditions, celebrating old traditions. I know in the fall I always do like pumpkin picking, apple picking, all the basic traditions that I always do with my family and friends and I really enjoy. So what I really like about the FabFitFun box is that you can pick and choose some of your items. So you always get some options to pick and choose, and then FabFitFun obviously puts some of their recommendations in here as well. This box is available in the United States, UK, and Canada if you guys live in any of those countries. Also, this box is valued at over $200, which is insane, and you are only paying $49.99, but I do have a discount code for $10 off. It's boutique, which I'll have over here and linked down below, and you get $10 off, so the box only comes out to $39.99, which is an incredible deal because a lot of these products are worth more than $39.99. Another thing that I love about FabFitFun is they always partner with a female-founded company or a charity. So for this box, they're supporting the charity No Kid Hungry. I know with COVID, a lot of people get their meals through school, and since they're not in school, they can't get those meals, a lot of children. So what this organization does is they provide those meals for the kids, even if they can't get them through school. And if you guys notice, they did switch to 100% craft paper and craft box. So everything is 100% recyclable. Alrighty guys, so I've been rambling, so let's jump on into the products. Alrighty, so this is the inside of my box. I always have trouble showing this. So I'm gonna start out with my favorite item from this box, and it's this backpack that I got. So I was really excited because they had a tote and a backpack to choose from, and I was so torn between the two, but I've been loving backpacks lately. They've been like my favorite thing. So I got this backpack. It's from the brand Botkier, B-O-T-K-I-E-R. I totally said that wrong, but it's really, really cute. So I kept it in its packaging for now so you guys can see it, and it's so cute. It's just this black backpack. This is called the Botkier New York Trigger backpack, and it's retailed at $100. It's kind of like this, I might be explaining the material wrong, but it's like this leather, and then over here, I don't know what the material is. What is this again? I took textiles in college and I still don't know. I really like these tassels here and the zipper, and then they have a button here obviously, and then this is the inside. So nice. It's kind of like this more boxy structure, and it's not too big because I really hate when you have like super big backpacks. The reason why I like these is because they're really small and cute to just like, you know, walk around in. So I just love it. Again, adjustable straps. So nice, and it's really spacious for how like small it looks. It fits a lot inside of it, so I'm really excited to be using this as my everyday bag. I've been using my Target backpack for like so long now, so I definitely needed a new black backpack, and this one is a little bit more stylish than my Target one for sure. I'm very excited about this. I've been wearing these all week, so I've been trying out these items for you guys for like the past week just to like see how they are. I've been wearing these for work for the past week, and I'm obsessed with them. I've always heard people talk about blue light glasses and how they've been really helpful for their eyes, and I have been getting headaches recently from the computer because I'm working from home. I'm always on my computer, the screen is way smaller, so I just feel like I'm straining my eyes a lot, and you know, the light on the computer just does not help. So these glasses here are adorable. They're from the brand Nectar. They are the Nectar blue light sunglasses, and they are in the brown tortoise print, which I love because my normal glasses are in tortoise shell print as well. So this is what they look like. They are adorable. I put them on and I was very hesitant, but they're so cute. I love them. They've really been helping just tone down the light a ton. Obviously my screen is super blue and it kind of gives it more of like a yellow tint, and I just feel like it puts a lot less pressure and strain on my eyes. So I've been really liking these, and again, I just like the way they look too. I would just wear these out to like, you know, run errands. These are retailed at $45. So the next product I received was the Anastasia brow gel. This is the clear brow gel. I've been using their brow pencil and like brush for the past year, and I really like it. It's been a really great product. So when I saw that there was a brow gel, I was very excited. My brow hairs do tend to move a lot, and I've just never had a brow gel. And I don't know why I've never purchased one. I've been using this again for the past week, and I really like it. I think it has the perfect amount of hold. It doesn't make your eyebrows look like shiny or anything, which is sometimes an issue, but it's really nice. And this is the brush. It's just like a nice simple small brush. You can really kind of concentrate where you want the gel to be, and it's a really good product. It's really simple. I use this, I fill in my brows, and then I just use this after to just lock them in place, and it looks really good and it helps a lot. The end here, my brow hairs tend to move a lot, so I like that this product is just really helpful and easy and just keeps everything in place. And this product is retailed at $22. So again, another really great purchase that I was really excited about, and it's gonna be a great everyday product that I can implement into my makeup routine. So the next product here is this shower gel, which this reminds me of just straight up fall. So I was really excited about this. I really wanted a nice fall shower gel that I could use. I like to kind of switch my shower gels out per seasons. This is the Beauty Papier Golden Superfood Shower Gel. So I'm really excited about this. This is a really nice body gel. I used it in the shower yesterday. It has a lot of superfood ingredients, which I really like. So it says a shower gel enriched with supercharging ingredients of pumpkin, argan, apricot, aloe vera, and orange, designed to uplift your senses and provide a source of antioxidants to leave your skin feeling super energized. So a really nice shower gel that I'm very excited to use for the fall, especially since it has pumpkin in it. So this was the perfect thing to receive for the fall, so I'm really excited. This is retailed at $30. So the next product that I got was the Laundress Crease Release, which this was a really cool product too, because I am one of those people where all of my clothes are always wrinkled, like all the time, and I just never have like an ironing board and iron to just bring out, and I'm always traveling a lot of the times. Like when I could travel, I was always at friends' houses, and so I always had my suitcase, and I wasn't gonna bring an iron with me, so I was always trying to find clothes that I knew wouldn't wrinkle. So it would have been really nice to have this a while ago, but this is just a spray that helps release wrinkles, and you hold it around 6 inches away from your clothes and you spray it, and it helps release those wrinkles from the clothes. So again, this would have been a really great thing to have a while ago, but I really like this. I tried it out the other day to see if it worked, and it does. If you have any like moderate wrinkles on your clothes that you just don't feel like whipping out that ironing board, this is a really great option. And this is retailed at $16. So the next product I received was the Hype Tranquility Sleep Mist, which this is another product that is something that I've always wanted to purchase. I had a sleep mist back in the day that I would spray on my pillow, and I haven't bought one in so long. I remember loving it. So I was really excited to see this in my box. So it has a mixture of hazel, lavender oil, and rice water in it. So it has that nice light lavender scent, which, as you guys know, if you've seen my other videos, I really do enjoy lavender, and I really like the scent of it. So I'll use this before I go to bed. You can spray it on your sheets, and you can also spray it on your pillow, and it helps create a nice, calming, tranquil sleeping environment. And you can also spray this on your face. If you hold it 8 to 10 inches away from your face, just do a couple spritz, and it's supposed to, you know, keep you nice and calm, and I just really like it. I think it's really cool, and like I said, I used to use sprays like this back in the day, and I haven't got one in a really long time. So I'm very excited to have this now. I just keep it at my bedside table, and I use it before I go to bed. And this is retailed at $22. So the next product I received was this Liquid RX Stress Reliever 100% Natural Hair Oil. So this was a product that I actually picked out myself, and I was very just like intrigued by the concept of it. And again, like I said, I'm a very like stressed out person, so any products that I can try out that could help with my stress, I'm all for trying out. It's supposed to give your scalp a massage and relieve dry and stressed out hair. So my hair is obviously dyed, as you guys know, and I just got it dyed. So sometimes my hair, I feel like, can get a little stressed out with the amount of dye that I put in it and stuff. So I thought this product could be a really cool product to try out for my hair. So the scent of this is so nice. It's like a calming scent. So it's supposed to calm you and calm your hair at the same time. And you kind of just massage it into your scalp, and then after an hour, you can rinse it out. An hour or more, it just depends. So this is really cool. This is what the little dropper looks like here. Really cool product, and this is retailed at $75, which is... Alright, so the last product that I received was the Velocium Beauty Celery Green Cream, and I've heard a couple of YouTubers actually talk about this, so I was really excited to try it out for myself. And this is the packaging. It just comes in this little glass jar, and this is the cream. It's a really lightweight cream. As you guys can see, it's almost like a gel consistency, so it rubs right into the skin and it just leaves a nice smooth finish. So this is a oil-free moisturizer, and it targets fine lines, wrinkles, and uneven skin tones. I really like gel consistencies because they just feel really light on the skin. I don't feel like I have like a heavy cream on my skin, and it smells like celery, just like a nice light fresh celery scent. So I apply this to my face and to my neck, and you can apply it twice a day if you want. Sometimes I end up just applying it at night, but you can apply it both in the morning and at night. And this is retailed at $55. Alrighty guys, well I think I ran through all of the items that I got. I'm really excited about all these items and incorporating them into my everyday routine. So yeah, I really hope you guys enjoyed this video, and let me know if you guys got any really cool products in your box that you liked. So again, if you guys are interested in FabFitFun, I do have my discount code BOUTIQUE linked down below for $10 off your box, and it comes out to only $39.99 with the discount code. But yeah, so anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys all in my next one.